Oh.
Mic check, 1, 2, 3. So yun guys, good day to everyone. Hope you had an amazing day. So tag your friends, share this link sa mga Facebook trading groups, right? And also pa-share na rin sa profile niyo kung okay lang. We will start in a few minutes. Maayong gabi rin, Glenn. Aha. Yeah. So ayun guys, mic check. Masyado bang malakas yung background music? Hihinaan ba natin yung background music? Or pwede na? So ayun, lagay nyo na yung mga chart request, I mean stock request nyo para malista na rin natin. Ooh. Thank you for the tag, Oliver Behiga. Ayun, thank you for responding. Sige, I'm just gonna list down yung mga stock requests nyo. And guys, so medyo long time no see, no? Medyo busy lang sa sa Trader Circle na VIP membership, right? So ayun, maybe before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So Trader Circle is a Discord group no, our aim is to educate aspiring traders, and we currently have 2,900 plus members. So we decided to offer VIP membership para ma-prioritize namin yung mga members, no. So we invest time and effort to those who invested in our trader circle, right? But yeah, madalas pa rin kami may libreng chart, right? So papakita ko lang sa inyo, no. So here we have trader circle, right? So ito yung logo namin. And then pag sali nyo sa trader circle, dito kayo unang babagsak sa trader circle public chat, right? And then ayun, very active, maraming stuff, no. And then here, second part is trading education. So maraming mga stuff dyan, no, mga libreng education regarding trading. And then we have here is the Trader Circle VIP, right? So here, ito, hindi nyo to makikita. Only mga members lang na nag-subscribe, right? Binibigyan namin sila access. So hindi porket sumali kayo sa Trader Circle group, makikita nyo na tong segment, right? Kasi makikita nyo meron siyang maliit na lock dito, right? So here we have chat room and very healthy discussions ng mga crypto. We also have stocks, right? And then we have here the founder's chart. So basically, lima kaming founder, no, ng Trader Circle. And dito, mahanap yung mga chart ng mga founders, right? So it's very active, maraming chart, maraming trade recommendations, right? And then here, we also have the PSE VIP, no? So if you join the Trader Circle VIP, you'll have access to both PSE and crypto. But here, so ayun, sa Trader Circle VIP, you have access to both crypto and PSE. At the same time, meron kayong access sa VIP education, right? So that's $200 for 3 months. And then dito naman sa PSE VIP is only 2,000 pesos. You won't have access to the VIP education, but here you'll have access to trade recos, no, yung mga stocks na pinapasukan naming mga admins, right? So, ang pinagkaiba lang basically ng Trader Circle VIP and PSE VIP is mas mahal si Trader Circle VIP. But at the same time, we teach members how to use Elliott Wave, harmonic patterns. We have here a lot of education, right? So, PSE VIP is cheaper. You'll only have access to our charts and our trades. But if you want to access our trading education tulad ng Elliott Wave, High and Touch, Harmonic Patterns, Basic Trading, you'll have to go with the Trader Circle VIP, which is $200 for 3 months. No? So anyway, ayun. If interested kayo sumali, just send me a message on Facebook or sa Trader Circle. Wait lang guys. So, ililista ko lang yung mga stock request nyo before we start. But for the meantime, while you're waiting, please tag your friends and share this to your Facebook profile, Facebook group, trading groups. Ayan, so thank you sa lahat ng nag-tag, ng mga friends sila. Yeah, so maybe let's start. Ayun, sige, wait. Mag-reload lang ako ng laway. Ayan, so we currently have 80 live viewers and counting. And ayun, prepare ko na yung chart natin. Magandang gabi sa mga viewers natin. Right? So yung mga bagong pasok, don't worry, hindi pa tayo nag-start. No, pero hinahanda na natin yung yung chart natin. No, kakatapos ko lang maglista ng mga stock requests ng members. Viewers. Ayun, so let's start. So for PSEI, the index, I started out bullish using Elliott wave theory. I think we're gonna do an A, B, C. So B is done. So this is A, right, going down, and B going up. So I'm expecting it to go down, right? But ayun nga, nagsa-sideways siya. No? So for me, if PSEI breaks above this, wait. So yun, if PSEI breaks above this, then I would consider going bullish. But if we don't break above this, then most likely we will go down to letter C. Hopefully find support sa 618 Fibonacci level. Right? So, after PSE, we will go to max. Kakain ko lang sa max kanina. May mga times na miss ko rin chicken nila. Pero syempre, masarap pa rin si Jollibee, right? So, for max, ayun. Hold on. So for max here, on the daily, nakakita ko ng bull flag, right? So this looks like a bull flag. Diba? And based on trend line, nag-breakout tayo dito. But my issue is, meron tayong gravestone doji, right? So meron tayong maliit na body, no? Linya lang siya. Then may mahabang wick sa taas. So it means na tumaas tayo dyan at one point, then tinulak tayo pababa ng mga sellers. So ngayon, medyo nagdududa ako kung bullish ako kasi if we go to lower time frame, like the 4 hours, right? May kita natin meron na tayong breakout dito. No, but if you go to the daily, it looks like a bearish candle. Right? So, ngayon, medyo hindi ko sigurado kung saan pupunta si Max. Right? So, unless we break above this, if we break above 15.4 pesos, then I would be bullish. But, mukhang may malaking chance na babagsak tayo ulit. Right? So, that's for Max. Hold on. Yeah, mukhang may possible na bumagsak tayo. But if we break above this red resistance, which is 15.4, then I would be bullish. But until then, sidelines, pagbasdan muna natin mga candles ni Max tomorrow. And then after max, we have AGI. So for AGI, going on the daily, so ito yung nag-drawing ako ng ano no, ng support dito, itong red line. Kasi in the past, this acted as a resistance and now it's acting as support. No, and then if we go to the 4 hour, ayun, so on the daily, mukhang gusto mag-bullish cross up ni MACD but paano ba sabihin to? Kailangan natin mag-ingat kasi may kita natin dito in the past, right? Akala natin mag-bullish cross siya but it went lower. No, so I currently have a position on AGI and yeah, bumili ang AGI a few days ago and then my stop loss is at 14.41 pesos. So if we go below this, automatic may cut loss ako kasi naka AAA equities ako, right? But pag naka-call kayo, yeah, good luck. Pagmasdan nyo na lang yan. No? Kaya guys, kung nasa call pa rin kayo, lipat na kayo. No? Kasi tulad ko, kaya ko maging mas aggressive, no, trading. Kasi meron tayong automated cut loss for AAA equities. So again, AGI, I am bullish until we break below 14.41 pesos. Okay? After AGI, JFC. Yes, Charlie Bondok, nasa listahan na rin si Jollibee. So for Jollibee, medyo pangit, right? Kasi kung if we're gonna look at the EMAs, no, may kita natin na cross down na to. So ano ba yung mga EMAs ko? I have 10, tanggalin ko na si 10. So we have 20, 50, and 100. So 100 is the red, 50, and then this is 20 EMA, right? So if we're gonna look at here, may kita natin that the 20 MA is now below 50 EMA, right? Same here, kung makita nyo, nung bumagsak si 20 below 50, right, nag-consolidate and then bumagsak. No? So, ayun, medyo ingat-ingat tayo kay JFC kasi the only time I will be interested to enter JFC is if we break above 322 pesos. No? Until then, I believe that this here will also happen here. And if that happens, let's see. So, medyo naglalag yung computer. Sige, wait lang. I think I'll... Ayan, okay. So, okay, going back to JFC. So again, with JFC, I believe itong nangyari dito, no, mangyayari din dito. Right? Kung titignan niyo yung pattern, medyo parehas sila eh. 'Di ba? Okay. Para mas madali, I'll do this. This looks like an A, this looks like a B, this looks like a C. Right? Then lagyan natin ng linya para mas ano. So here, this also looks like an A, this looks like a B, and then C, I think we will have good support here, right? And then if we pull out the Fibonacci, yan, so bandang 618, right? So here, yan, around 0.5, right? From this low to this high, yung ating Fibonacci, it found support sa 50, right? So here, this is I think it's a smaller version of this one, and yeah, I think this is most likely, no, mangyayari kay JFC. And then if we compare, yeah, so, ayan. So ayun, again, I am bullish if we break above 322, but if we don't break above 322, then it's probably gonna find support somewhere around here. Then let's maybe do this. Right. This is an area of support. support zone. After GFC, we have FA. Yun, so we currently have 117 live viewers. Okay, FA. I was initially bullish with this, but ayun nga, whenever I'm bullish on the stocks, no, there's two things that can happen. It either goes up or it goes sideways, right? And in this case, I will show you kung ano nangyari kay FA. Kasi matagal ko na sinasabi sa mga members na bullish ako kay FA. I think here, no, in here, naging bullish ako kay FA, right? And then I was able to profit this pump. Well, it did 20%, but I think I got only around 16 to 18% of profit, right? And then after the pump, it went sideways. No, and then when it went sideways, sinabi ko sa mga VIP members ng Trader Circle na if it goes below 0.92 pesos, cut your losses, no, or exit the stock kasi it's most likely gonna go down and fill the gap that we had here, right? So for me, I am bearish with FA, but if you want to enter this, wait for it to go above 1.05 pesos, no? Kasi it looks like we're gonna go down again, no? So after FA, we have a, oh, wait. Yeah, so hindi pa tayo umaabot ng so I think anywhere here, no, FA can find support anywhere here and then go up. I know it's a wide range, no? So for me, ang advice ko kay FA is bigyan niyo siya ng time. Then balikan natin siya after 2 weeks maybe. Oh. Kasi medyo malaki yung gap niya dito eh. The gap is here. So maybe I'll put it here. Yan. So for me, this is a good support zone. Right? For FA. Oh, ba't ang laki? Yan. From bullish to bearish. And after FA, ABA. And so, currently, meron din akong meron akong stocks ni ABA. Bumili ako around here. No? And I'm currently in how many percent? 11% profit for ABA. No. So, yeah, I think it's last live stream. No, the live stream before this, and I said, guys, I am bullish on ABA. And then may mga bumili, and then nung nag-drop siya ng konti, medyo kinabahan sila. And then they messaged me. So I said, ayun, but anyway, long story short, it played out, right? It did at least 18%, no? So if we go to lower time frame, hi Emmanuel Katapia. Yes, nakita ko yung ECP. Please huwag kayo mag-spam. Okay, sige, sama natin si ECP. So ayun, for what do you call this? ABA on the 1 hour time frame, I'm expecting it to do something like this. Yeah, may gap tayo dito. May gap tayo dito, no? So it's possible that we go up here. Ayun. So yun guys, dito nakapasok na ako. Pero if sa mga hindi pa nakakapasok ng ABA, wag na kayo pumasok ngayon, okay? Number one, we are facing resistance of number 3, right? So andito tayo sa resistance. And basic of trading is you do not enter at resistance, you enter at support. So we are currently on resistance. Okay, pumasok. No. So, wait. Okay. Oh. Okay. TBGI. Ayun, so si ABA, this is TBGI. I think the last time I said is, yeah, breakdown of the trend line support and then acted as a resistance here, and I expect it to go down. We went below, we went lower compared dun sa support na nilagay natin, right? And, but walang 12 hours dito sa PSE, walang 12 hours. Pero yeah, let's go to the 4 hour. So honestly, for TBGI, it's still on a downtrend, right? Meron ditong relief pump, no? Pero huwag kayong maging bullish, guys, kasi yung nakikita yung pump dito, nangyari na rin yan dito. Nangyari na rin yan dito. And then after that, ano nangyari? Bumagsak pa rin, right? So this recent pump is facing resistance, right? In the past, this acted as a support, but now it's acting as resistance. So for TBGI, yeah, hands off muna ako kasi it's still in a downtrend and yeah, it's still in the downtrend. So after TBGL, let's go to MRC. I think my stock rin, meron din ako MRC. No, hindi pa pala. Wala pa pala akong MRC. So anyway, on the 4-hour chart of MRC, I am bullish, right? Kasi may lower low tayo and then meron tayong higher low dito sa RSI. But tulad nga ng sabi ko, whenever I'm bullish or whenever there's a bullish divergence, there's two things that can happen. It plays out, magpa-pump siya, or number two, it goes sideways, right? So we have a bullish divergence here, but may kita natin si MRC is going sideways, right? So for me, using AAA equities, I set a buy on breakout order on the 0.3553 centavos for MRC. No? So kung tumaas dito si MRC at matamaan niya yan, automatic magte-trigger yung AAA equities account ko and automatic siya magba-buy for me. No? So for MRC, keep an eye on 0.35 cents, this one. Breaking above it would be bullish for me. So yun guys, we currently have 20 stock requests. Well, it's actually 21. No? So next time, if you want to have your stocks in the stock request, tune in earlier kasi medyo pagod na rin ako and I can only accommodate this much stocks, right? So after MRC, we have Yeah, sige. Meron ng, yeah, John, ito na yung MR. Yeah, kakatapos lang ng MRC. And hi, Mats Borhal. Sige, singit natin. No? Since you're a previous student, yeah, let's singit natin si PLC. Oh, ano yung nilagay ko? Yeah, okay, PLC. So, here on SOC, SOC, mm, yeah, this is the resistance zone. Right, resistance. Breaking above this would make me consider being bullish. But let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour, may possibility, right, na maging bullish. But yeah, hintayin ko mag-break ng 1 pesos. Yep, wait for the break of 1 pesos before consider going in, right? Kasi ngayon, wala pa siya. For me, I don't see any good entry for now. So after SOC, we have MB, Manila Bulletin. Surprisingly, tumataas pa rin tong stocks. I mean, si Manila Bulletin. Okay, so here, so for MB, I think it's still in a downtrend, but mukhang nagpa-find siya ng support dito. No? So for MBs, yeah, MB, this is the resistance you have to break before you consider being bullish. 4 hours, 1 hour. Yeah, wala pa akong nakikita masyadong bullishness. Right? Except here. This is a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so for MB, wala pa akong nakikita magandang setup. Right? But kung gusto niyo take yung risk here, right? You put your stop loss here at 0.52 sa mga malilikot ang kamay, and then you set a target, a conservative target profit would be here at 0.64 pesos. No, conservative target, right? It can go up to here sa 0.66, but the important thing is you lock profit. So let's keep it conservative. No, so the risk to reward ratio is 2, not the most ideal risk to reward ratio, but sa mga makakati ang kamay, kung talagang makati kayo, right? Sige, pwede. Just put a stop loss on 0.52 cents. So after Manila Bulletin, yeah, sige, gumawa natin ito ng ano. Okay. Saglit lang. Kailangan ko lang screenshot yung mga charts para sa mga members ng Trader Circle. So guys, pag hindi pa kayo member ng Trader Circle, just click the link and join. No, maraming stuff doon. After MB, si Green. So itong si Green. Green is my monthly stock pick for March. It played out on, yeah, so here Green. Okay, sige. Yeah, anyway, let's look at the daily. So daily, oh, not much to see on the daily. 4 hours. So for green, I'll consider going in. No, if we break above 2.92 pesos. So I think tomorrow, or yeah, maglalagyan ng buy on breakout order sa AAA equities. Now, if we break above 2.93, I would enter. But for now, hindi pa ako sure, right? I'm quite unsure. But if we go to 1 hour, may kita natin that we have reached the oversold area. So we came, so okay, nirecommend ko si green around the oversold here. Tumaas tayo sa overbought, bumalik tayo sa oversold. So I am slightly bullish on green kasi we have reached the oversold but haven't reached the overbought. So it means there's a good probability na we have space to go up. But, ayun, since di yun naka-re-enter dito, and sayang, but it's okay. Kasi nakapasok naman kay Chelsea, right? Si C. And, maganda rin yung profit. So, here, yeah, maghihintay ako ng pullback before I go in again. No, medyo late na to enter now. But, yeah, for green, I'd be interested if we break 2.92, or if we do a decent pullback, I would consider going in. But for now, it's late. It's late for me because if we go to the 15 minutes, it's nearly at the, well, may konting space pa naman for 15 minute, right? But yeah, ayoko ma-FOMO, ayoko humabol ng trade. Maraming stocks na mga ganda. So after green, si Mang Inasal. Woo! So big. So sa mga marunong mag-Elliott wave, I would say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this looks like, hold on. Wait, mukhang hindi. Well, yeah. This looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I'm not sure kung ito na ba yung top ng number 5 natin, but let's look at the map. Let's go to weekly. And if we go to the 4-hour, you can see this is small. So possible wave 5 is in, right? We have a head and shoulders sa RSI, which means it is bearish. No, so yeah, pwede na kayo mag-take ng profit for DD. No. Yeah, if you want to take profit, pwede na. Kasi there's a good possibility na, ayun no, if you're gonna look at the 4-hour MACD, it just did a bearish cross. Right? So, if we go down, if DD is bullish, then maybe we find support somewhere inside 2, 3, 4. Anywhere here. Medyo malaki yung support range, right? Kasi di natin alam kung bullish ba talaga to or hindi. But if we are bullish, then most likely we will find support sa 382 Fibonacci level. But kung medyo okay lang, sakto lang yung market, then 0.5 to 0.6. No? So after DD, SSI. Hi, Marvin Velasco. Tapos na yung FA, so panoorin nyo na lang ulit. After this. So, ayun, medyo magulo. Yeah. Okay guys, sorry. Inaayos ko lang. Okay, everything's good. So for SSI, alam ko nagawa ko rin to ng chart eh. Yeah. Oh. So for SSI, yeah, let's go to the daily. Um, so in SSI, it's daily overbought, right? But di porket overbought tapos na. Kasi kung makita nyo dito, right? Nag-overbought siya dito, 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 dito. Di ba? Tuloy-tuloy lang siya. And then, wala tayong divergence na nakita dyan. Right? So, sobrang bullish talaga. Went sideways. ABC. Expanding flat. So, ayun. Yung nakikita nyo dito, medyo parabolic siya. So, may chance na gawin din natin to. Right? And if we zoom out, so ayan, and then if we go to daily, medyo... Kasi pag gantong stock, hindi ko na siya nire-recommend pasukan eh. Right? Kasi late na, hindi tayo nakapasok dito sa breakout. No? So here may kita natin we did a bull flag. Breakout went up. Dito bull flag din. Up, 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 up. So, I suggest you give it a few days, right? Maghanap kayo ng ganito, ng bull flag, no? Consolidate sideways, and then if we break above again, then pasok kayo. But for now, risky kasi may kita nyo medyo shooting star ba to or basta doji, right? So it's a reversal candle, right? So there's a good probability that mag-reverse siya. So ito yung hinahanap natin, right? After a parabolic move up, went sideways, consolidate, and then prepared for another move up. So for SSI, mag-abang kayo ng bull flag, breaking above, then you enter. But if hindi siya nag-break up, huwag kayo pumasok kasi medyo mataas na yung narating natin. Right, so kasi here on SSI, sorry, let's go to the daily. Ayun, so we have 113 viewers. So ito, we will use the previous resistance as support. Right? So na-break niya tong resistance, tumaas. So pag nabasag ang resistance, gawin natin siyang green kasi pag nabasag ang resistance, obviously nagiging support. So maybe abang kayo sa green line na to. Right? Kasi let's go to the 4 hour, 1 hour. Oops. So ulitin. So for what's this? SSI, yeah. Yan. Posible mangyari to kasi this is a resistance. Yung nabasag niya dito, there's a good tendency that it will act as support before we prepare ourselves for another move up. So let's go to the 4 hour para mas SSI BDO. Pangit ang chart ni BDO. So BDO is going sideways, right? And if we're gonna pull back the chart, we're gonna zoom out, ayan, nag-draw yun ng trend line support dito. Right? Nung nabasag niya dito yung support, naging resistant siya, so red. Right? So here, nung nabasag natin itong support, ginawa ko siyang red. Right? And then here, nabasag natin, then bumalik tayo ulit sa ilalim ng resistance. So ngayon, this is a no trade zone for me. There's a good probability na babagsak pa tayo before we go up. Right? So BDO, I will only enter the stock if we break above this. But until then, not interested in this stock. So after BDO, copy. Boom. So ayan, the magic of Fibonacci. The magic of Fibonacci. So here, so saan siya nag-start? So ayun, one of the ways I use Fibonacci is I use it to set target. So I'm plotting it from this high to this low. Right here, this high to this low. And kung makita nyo, we have reached the 0.5 Fibonacci ratio, no? And kung gagamitin nyo siya as support and resistance, kung lalagyan nyo siya ng linya as support and resistance, makita natin na this is a resistance. Kasi in the past, this area acted as support, then acted as resistance here, then now it's acting as a resistance again. Right? So 1, 2, A, B, C, G, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So ayun, Poppy is still in a downtrend. Yan natin yung 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ayun, if we break above 3.13, then tsaka ako papasok, but yeah, paano ba sabihin to? This is 100. I think kailangan ko ng 200. So let's make this 200. And ayun, 200 is acting as support, right? 200 EMA. And I think I'll make this black. So, yun. So, ayun, so I would enter Poppy if we break above 3.13 resistance. Let's look at 1 hour kasi sideways talaga siya, guys. No, it's hard to look for an entry, but yeah, if we break above 3.13, then go in. But until then, medyo risky to enter. Right, then let's try this. So ayun, currently, so if we get the Fibonacci from this low to this high, we are currently at 382 support. And amazingly, the 200 EMA is also in the same level of 382. So if this holds, and if we break above 3.13, then bullish. But until then, pagmasdan nyo na lang muna. CHP. So CHP. So for CHP, yeah, I was able to avoid this drop. And yung mga members ng VIP, Trader Circle VIP, was also able to paano ba sabihin, escape this drop. And yeah, pakita ko sa inyo yung chart. So for CHP here, asan yun? And so for CHP, may kita nyo, in the past, I drew this. Sabi ko, we will find support at the 786 and pump. And guys, palakpakan, we did 22%. right? So, ayan. So here, no, kung titingnan si CHP on, this is also on the 4-hour chart, may kita nyo na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I was able to, uh, paano ba sabihin to? Kaya ako na-foresee, no, na may malaking drop kasi nga in the past, and if you know elite wave theory, every time na matapos yung wave number 5, which is the highest, it's gonna do a very big correction. And here, yeah, see, what else? May iba pang chart eh. Yan, I was also able to predict kung saan aabot si number 5. Right here, 2.9. So what else? Yeah, anyway, yan. So for CHP, if we go to the daily, let's look at daily. So sa daily, we have reached the oversold, right? And it tells me we have a lot of room left, no, to go up kasi wala pa tayo sa overbought. At the same time, on the daily, meron tayong ditong bullish cross ng MACD. At the same time, meron din tayong bullish cross dito. No? So, I am still in my CHP position. Okay, so, ayun. After a... Sige, tanggalin natin to para ma-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng elite wave. No? So, elite wave basically is every time there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up, every time na may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up, there's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave going down before it goes up again. Right? So, magic. Anyway, siguro I would look to take profit here. No. Mali, baliktad. So, here. Swing high, swing low. And then I always usually take my profit between the 0.5 and the 618 Fibonacci resistance. Magic. And then go to trace here. Then hopefully maybe we go up again. Anyway, after CHP, web. So as discussed last time, dapat red to kasi resistance to eh. Okay, so si web, we broke through 3 resistances. Yun. Ayun, so si web, ginawa ko siya ng chart. Long-term chart. This is weekly. Right? And yan, yung mga targets ko. So, for now, it did a great job. Tumaas siya ng how many percent? 20% since after making this call, right? So, malayo pa siya sa mga predicted resistance or target profit natin, but it's a good start, right? And looking at the daily, no. Let's go to the 4-hour. So for me, I see this as a rising wedge. No, this looks like a rising wedge. And usually, after a rising wedge, bibigay yan, babagsak. Okay, hindi kinaya ni Instagram yung charting skills ko. Anyway, ayan. So, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern, right? Kung nakita nyo ganyan, nagko-contract siya pataas, there's a good probability na it's gonna break down. So, sa mga may web, If it goes below 3.07, take your profit or cut your losses kasi we're gonna go down. And hopefully, I think we will find support here and then maybe attempt to go up again. Right? So this is what I'm seeing for web. And let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, mukhang kaya pa. Or maybe not. ISM. Yeah. So CISM on the 4-hour. Gusto ko lang rin ipakita sa inyo na ayun, dito pa lang. Meron pa ako before chart nito eh. Asan na yun? Yan, so dito pa lang, right? Dito pa lang sa air na to, alam ko na nababagsak tayo dito. No, and find support here. And we did, right? Right, we found support here and then bounce kung nasaan yung 618. So here. So may mga trader ako nakikita sa Facebook na sinasabi na 618 doesn't work. Well, of course, it doesn't work all the time, but it works most of the time if you know how to plot Fibonacci properly, right? So, yeah, hindi porket hindi siya gumagana sa iyo, hindi na siya gumagana sa iba. Kasi for me, kung nanood kayo ng live stream ko, nakikita nyo, I use it a lot, right? So, it pumped 42% from where I plotted the target, no? And the target is like this, A, B, C. No? So, nasan yung ABC ko? Here. Yan, ABC, right? So, ayan yung ABC natin. Anyway, ayusin ko lang yung konti yung chart kasi upload ko to. So for ISM, honestly, medyo bearish. Okay, nakalimutan ko yung sentiments ko kay ISM. Oy, Mervin. Yeah, hi Mervin. Shout out kay Mervin from Trader Circle. Anyway, kalimutan ko. Kalimutan ko sino nagsabi, pero PSE trader din siya. Pero anyway, going back, ISM, it did good. It did 40%, but this looks like another ABC to me. Right? So usually after an ABC, babagsak tayo ulit. So for ISM, medyo delikado. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, tingnan nyo dito, no, tumaas tayo. Ito yung support here, naging resistance dito nung nabasag niya, right? Nag-gap up. After the gap up, bumalik tayo para balikan yung gap. No? So if this holds, and if we break above 6.34, dyan ulit ako papasok sa 6.34 kung nabasag niya to. Pero until then, I am bearish for ISM. So after ISM, we have Cebu, Cebu Pacific, no, Cebu Air. Crap. Okay guys, so nakaisang oras na tayo and we still have 110 live viewers. So for Cebu, this looks like an ABC, right? So for me, I would only be interested in Cebu Pacific, I mean Cebu Air, if we break 88 pesos, right? But I don't know, medyo 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Fibonacci 382 support. So posible tayong bumagsak up to 72, 76 area before trying to go up again. Right. So Cebu, let's look at the 4-hour. Well, sa 4-hour, mukhang may bullish cross na mangyayari. Pero wag kayo maano kasi dito nag-bullish cross, then bumagsak ulit. Right? So, risky. Wait for it to break above 88.83 pesos before considering buying this stock. After Cebu, screenshot muna. After Cebu, APX. Oy, Crypto Hood, Sharif Geron. Kumusta? APX looks like shit. ABC up, bearish. So, yeah, no. Guys, naawa kung sino may hawak ng APX. Pero, okay guys, so nasabi ko siyang bearish kasi I see an ABC going up. And kung makikita nyo dito, in the past, we also did an ABC. And after the ABC, buhos. So, okay, so sa mga may hawak ng APX, I would suggest to cut your losses if we go below 1.27 pesos. No? If we go below 1.27 pesos, get the fuck out. Right? But yeah, no trade zone for this. After APX, strength. Yun, so si Crypto Hood magpi-PSE na rin. So anyway, alam ko walang referral link yung AA Equities eh. I requested that they offer that for us, no? Kasi honestly, I think medyo marami na na-convert to switch from call to AA Equities. No, but yeah, nirecommend ko. I hope they give it to us. But if they don't, it's okay because I love their platform. Right, so for STR, yeah, okay. So mukhang magbe-breakout to guys. This looks like a ascending triangle. Right? So ayun, sa mga may AAA equities, maglagay kayo ng buy on breakout. If we break above 7.6, well, gawin natin to. If we break above 7.55 pesos for STR, we are gonna pump. Right? But until then, yeah, sa mga naka-call, good luck, bantayan yan. No? But sa mga may AA equities, set lang kayo ng 7.55 buy on breakout. Yeah, so here, possible din siya maging bearish, guys. Kasi if you're gonna look at this, right? So basically, I connected this bottom to this bottom to this bottom, expand it, and makita natin we broke down of the trend line support, and the trend line support is now acting as a resistance here, right? So there's a good probability now we go down, but also there's a good probability that we break out, right? So medyo 50-50 tayo dito, but based on here, I would assume it's bearish, right? So ayun, buy if we break above 7.55 pesos, or yeah, after STR, ECP. So for ECP, this trend line resistance is still being respected here. Okay, so for ECP, no, nag-pump siya ng how much? 40%, sayang di ko ito nasakyan. Right? But, ayun, this looks like a wave 1, 2, 3. So let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, I am still bearish. No. Pwede maging bearish. But, yeah, I'm gonna enter this trade if we break above ECP, if we break above 14 pesos. Right? If we break above 14 pesos, go. But, not yet. Not yet. PLC. Alright, so we're nearing the end, and PLC, whew. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after 5, we did a correction. Then this looks like another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere here. So we have to lower this down because that didn't work. So for PLC, it is in a support zone, but let me check the 4 hours. Yeah, medyo risky pa rin to enter. Medyo risky pa rin. But maybe if we break above 0.77 pesos, that would be my confirmation na we can enter. But yeah, kung gusto nyo bumodega kayo. Pero if we go below, so kung gusto nyo mag-ladder or mag-bodega kasi we are in a support zone, just make sure na you cut this stock. You cut your losses if we go below 0.62. No, kasi if we go below that, then we're gonna head much lower. So ayun guys, sige. Nearly, sige, habon natin si Vita. Gulo. So for Vita, yeah, so kay Vita, maybe breaking above here. Breaking 1.76 would be a good entry. So sa mga naka-Vita, medyo wala pa ako nakikitang good entry. But wait, let me check. But wait, there's more. Yeah, uncertain. Yeah, for Vita, wait. Okay, for Vita, if we break above gawin natin 1.44, then pwede, pasok kayo. No? Pero wag muna kayo pumasok, hintayin nyo mabasag yung 1.44 kasi if hindi yan nabasag, babagsak pa tayo and we can go to as low as 1.3. So yung mga tao na meron hawak na Vita, if we go below 1.3 pesos, please cut your losses. No? But yeah. So 1.44, if we break that, possible tayo mag-scalp and take profit around possible 12%. No, kasi this is gonna act as resistance, and if we break above it, then good. But we have to assume na this is gonna be a resistance. Okay? Oh, sige, si VLL. And guys, no oras na ba? Yeah. One, no. Wait, ilang? Yeah, VL. Ganito na lang. Breaking above 7.54, bullish. Breaking below 7 pesos, bearish. Okay? Sideways eh. So, we really don't know where it's gonna go. No? And mukhang this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this looks like a 5. But anyway, yeah. Yan na lang. Hintayin yung basag sa 7.5. Ang daming last. PXP. Yeah, medyo naririnig ko tong si PXP eh. Oops. But yeah. Okay, so si PXP. PXP. Ayun, magyayabang lang ako saglit. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung PXP ko. Right? Yan. So, in the past, I did PXP chart and I said, we're gonna go down and most probably find support sa 8 pesos. And yeah, we did go down, right? After this triangle, nakita nyo, bumagsak tayo. And, ayun, currently in support. Currently in support. ABC. No. So, yeah, medyo bullish. But yeah, I'm bullish on PXP, but papasok lang ako kay PXP if we break above 9.85. Until then, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines. Let's check 1 hour. Yeah, so this looks like a falling wedge. This might be a falling wedge. No? Yan. So possible siyang ganyan or ganyan. So, pag mabasag to, then it's gonna retest this. And if it retests this, posible, pwede. No? So, that's for PXP. Yeah, for PXP, dito may gap tayo, okay? So, sa mga nanonood, listen very carefully. No? Okay, so sa stock trading or whatever trading, kung ang stock gumagalaw, tapos nakita nyo may ganito, may gap, no? Walang candle, there's a very good probability that we're gonna go back up. No, go back up kung nasaan yan. So, this is a very big gap. No, so, let's go to daily. Yeah, so ito yung resistance natin for PXP. Possible siya magganto eh. A, B, C. Right? Possible yan. Very possible. Anyway, let's make this... Yeah. So there's a good probability that this will happen. This will play out. Oh! Shit. Mali. Take 2. So, and that's for PXP. Anyway, guys, wait. Yeah, anyway, tapos na tayo, guys. Pero before we go, yeah, may mga ending remarks na ako. Anyway, May 22, will be Risk Trader Brand's first anniversary. So, ginawa ko si Risk Trader Brand noong May 22 of 2018. So, there's 21 days left before Risk Trader turns 1. And, yeah, definitely mamibigay ako ng mga merchandise, or if not merchandise, then baka bigyan ko ng mga free 1 month VIP subscription sa Trader Circle. No? So, yeah, bibigyan ko yun ng PSE VIP. It's 2,000 per month. Uh, yeah, so it's either I give merchandise or I give subscriptions to Trader Circle. So anyway, again, if you haven't joined Trader Circle, join us. And if you don't know the link, message me. I will give you the link. Right? And ayun, sa mga hindi nakaabot kanina, I'm just gonna repeat everything. Once you join Trader Circle, this is our logo. Dito kayo babagsak sa Trader Circle public chat. And then, if you go to the left side, may kita nyo meron tayong trading education. No? So, maraming contents dyan about trading, learning how to trade. And then, we have Trader Circle VIP, which offers crypto and PSE. Then, we have PSE VIP. No? So, sa Trader Circle VIP, you have access to both crypto and PSE. At the same time, we will teach you how to plot Elliott wave, use harmonic patterns, high and touch confluence, and then I will also teach the basic of trading, mga support and resistances, right? But if you join PSE VIP, it's just charts and yung mga stocks na pinapasukan ko. So, if you have $200 for 3 months, yeah, Trader Circle VIP is $200 for 3 months. PSE VIP is 2,000 per month. So ayan, if you want to learn Elliott wave and harmonic patterns and high and touch, then definitely join the Trader Circle VIP package. But kung chart lang gusto nyo and then mga trades, PSE VIP. No? So ayun, if you're interested, just send me a message. I'll give you the links to the details. So ayan guys, thank you very much sa lahat na nag-tune in. Once again, this is Risk Trader. Do not forget to set your stop loss and learn to take your profit. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow on PSE Market.